this on Instagram, but I haven't got it. Use discount code JacobViral to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Xplicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Pretty good?
Oh, yeah.
What's up, man?
What's going on?
I posted this on Instagram, but I haven't got a demo yet, so this is going to be good.
I just changed it. Last time it was the fourth order.
Oh, your seat.
Yeah.
Oh, that don't even move. Nice.
It's just temporary. I had to bring my dog.
Oh, there you go.
And this is the only storage I have. So.
Yes, sir. So what's your name and what's in here real quick, man?
Josh.
Okay.
2 level 6 18s on Crossfire 16K. I had 2 of them. Because I just got them recon a week ago.
I like this. You built this?
Yeah, I just built this like a week ago. Well, not the shell, but
Yeah,
the flat wall.
yeah, the flat wall.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
the same baffle.
Yep.
But
Man.
I'm finally getting them a little warmed up. They're getting kind of warm.
Yes, sir.
For the first time. Because I just got the pole in.
How is your electrical and power?
90 amp hour C-Max and 270 amp off.
Okay. And my last question for you is, how big is the box? Cubic space net.
14 total.
14
and 3s in the port. So
Okay.
like 11.
11. Okay.
Not better than it was. The fourth order I don't think was big enough.
So, okay, so you're happy more with the flat wall than the fourth. That's what I was about to ask
Lower,
you.
windier, and louder.
Windier, louder. Yeah. Maybe, but you didn't have enough space for the fourth order.
That's what I was thinking. My sealed section wasn't big enough.
Yes, sir. Well, that's good that you changed it and you're happy. Awesome, man.
Only like the 5th fucking time. I changed the port about 4 times in the fourth order.
You just couldn't get it because it was never big enough for the box,
I think so,
for the
yeah.
subs.
I kept changing the port and I was like, oh, it's probably the port.
Yeah. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. Hope you enjoyed the full walk around of Josh's system at the Ruckus and Chill Show in Fayetteville, North Carolina of 2021 last year. This was his previous thumbnail demo that he gave me as well. If you want to check out the system, link in the description for the video of that. That's when he had a bandpass enclosure. Now he has a 2 18-inch subwoofer wall build, flat wall with the top port. So go ahead and comment. Let him know what you think about his system. Say something positive about Josh's system. All around, really musical build. He's definitely done a lot of work on his vehicle over the years. With this huge 16,000 watt amplifier. He has it right now ran at 2 ohm because he's babying the subs. He's not wanting to break anything. So it is actually wired up. This is a 1 ohm stable amplifier. So probably around 7,000 to 8,000 watts power going to these subs, which is still a lot of power at hand. So be sure to give him a like as well if you haven't already, as well as consider subscribing for daily car audio videos. So I really always enjoy getting a demo from Josh. I've met him at least 3 other times for different system demos he gave me, so he's always done a great job with his upgrades. So shout out to you, man. And we're about to get to this 2-song bass demo that he plays. The second song has definitely got a lot of pressure. First one's doing really good as well. So I hope you enjoy the video, and let's get to this nasty, crazy loud bass demo. It's all good? All right.
It don't make a difference if you crying in the brain. You wanna show right now, right
windy. That plays pretty low,
It's a lot
too.
better than it was. The fourth order, I don't think was big enough.
So, okay, so you're happy more with the flat wall than the fourth. That's what I was about to ask
Slower,
you.
windier, and louder.
Windier, louder, yeah. Maybe, but you didn't have enough space for the fourth order.
That's what I was thinking. My sealed section wasn't big enough.
Yes, sir. Well, that's good that you changed it and you're happy. Awesome, man.
Only like the fifth fucking time. I changed the port about 4 times in the fourth order.
You just couldn't get it because it was never big enough for the
I think
box,
so,
for the
yeah.
subs.
I kept changing the port and I was like, oh, it's probably the port.
Yeah.
It's fucking stinky now. Oh, paint's kind of melting.
Still though too.
Yeah.
You don't play like probably 20 hertz, but I'd say 24, 25 at the lows, and then up to 45 to 50. Awesome. Thank you for the demo again.
Oh, you need to fucking play.
Yeah.
Well, I'm trying to get windy, so maybe we'll go lower.
Lower, yes sir. I'm gonna go look at the amp in the back. Hey, you have a good day. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Xplicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.